Friends, दोस्तों, I'm welcoming Anil Kapoor, a very dear friend of mine, my colleague, and I'm very very happy कि इस साल 25th year of ITA के jury के chairman अनिल है. So I welcome on behalf of ITA and अनिल जो हैं काफ़ी दिनों से मैं चाहता था कि एक ऐसा एक्टर जिसने हर तरह का सिनेमा किया है, सीरियस सिनेमा भी किया है, कमर्शियल सिनेमा भी किया है, इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा भी किया है, और इन टेलीविजन ऑल्सो. व्हेन ही डिड OTT, he made one of the most talked about OTT program called 24 Hours, and we were lucky to have him on platform on IT platform for 24 hours also. So yeah, so that's the introduction, and इसके बाद अनु, let's call the jury.
No, let Anil say something.
Call the jury. No, call the jury. Yeah. I think jury should be here. Where's the jury?
Call the entire jury.
Yeah, please. That's important.
I'll call everybody.
Yeah. Call the jury.
The jury comes with we want to know about IT. It's 25th year special. We have the chairman Anilji this year of the jury. Sounds really really special. Is for 25th year, what is that you expecting?
हर तरह की साल की तरह इस बार भी हम चाहते हैं कि जो बेस्ट प्रोग्राम्स हैं, जो बेस्ट टैलेंट है, जिन्होंने इस साल बहुत मेहनत से काम किया है, उनको उनका अवार्ड मिले. और जहाँ तक एंटरटेनमेंट का सवाल होता है तो हर साल कोशिश यही होती है कि पिछले साल से कुछ ज़्यादा बेहतर, कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा किया जाए. इट्स अ कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड, सो यू हैव टू कीप इम्प्रूविंग योरसेल्फ. तो इस बार भी हमारी कोशिश ये है कि जितना अच्छा हम लास्ट टाइम परफॉर्म कर पाए थे उससे कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म करें. और आपको जान के ये खुशी होगी इस बात की कि पिछले 5 साल से ITA जो है, एक सेकंड, पिछले 5 साल से ITA जो है वो परफॉर्म बहुत अच्छा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ TRP. Our TRP has always been above 3. So yes, we are.
So there's a big shift. We're moving to Jio this year.
जी, हम चाहते थे कि 25वें साल में कुछ ऐसी जगह पे करें जो अपने आप में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और आइकॉनिक हो. इसलिए जियो कन्वेंशन सेंटर के अंदर वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट हॉल जहां वी कैन सीट्स अराउंड 7,000-8,000 पीपल, वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द ITA अवार्ड.
25th year is a very very special year. You just mentioned that we have the chairman Anilji. What would you like to say?
Nothing. We welcome him, and I welcome all the jury members, and I'm glad everybody is here with us. And we look forward to seeing everyone at the 25th year of the IT Awards.
Anilji, few words from you.
Well, all I can say is, I've been watching from, me and Sashi go back, I think almost 40-45 years. We've been friends and, we've been colleagues, actors, and I've been watching him grow this award so sincerely and honestly and with a lot of integrity. And I can, you see what happens, you can feel it, that it's actually really, really done in a very truthful and honest way. So when he asked me to be the chairman, I was really happy. And otherwise I'm, unless I don't trust people, I'm not going to, be the chairman or whatever. But obviously it's the jury which is going to, and when I came to the jury members, I said these are the right jury members to decide who's the winner and who's the, who deserves to get the award. Not that all the participants are worthy of it, because that's the reason they've been nominated. So I congratulate them also, and I obviously I think who are the winners will be I think announced on the what's the date?
17th December.
17th December. So 17th December is we're gonna announce who the winners are. So I'm really looking forward to congratulate them in person. But I congratulate both of you all for it's his 25th year, right?
75th.
So well, I'm so happy, and it's a privilege and an honor to be the chairman for this award. Yeah.
How does it feels like you are the
Sorry?
carrying
It's not about me. Now let the jury members come. Let them speak. Come, please come.
Can we push this chair back and put some chairs here, guys? Yeah, I'll just get. Shashi ji, please do that.
Hi. Yes, sir. Ganesh. अब यहाँ आना भानु जी आइए
Can a few of us sit down? Yeah, better down.
Picture in the center, everyone. Hold on, sir. Hold on.
So 3 cheers to ITA hip hip.
Come in.